The question is, a block of mass m is placed on a smooth inclined wedge ABC of inclination theta as shown in the figure. The wedge is given an acceleration a towards the right. The relation between a and theta for the block to remain stationary on the wedge is. So the block will remain stationary when resultant force along the inclined plane is 0, and therefore ma cos theta should be equal to mg sin theta. So a would be equal to g tan theta, and therefore option number 3 would be the correct answer. And yes, option 3 is the right answer.